Welcome back to Wheels by the Ocean, building his own mechanic workshop. Previously, you would have seen all the flooring getting done and all, everything like that, blah, 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 blah. You've seen it all. You have to go watch episode 3. This is going to be episode 4. There's the sign. Let's go and pop that on the front of the building. I've also got the Chinese. I need to start removing everything from the back of this because this van is sold. But the Chinese lives on. He's happy to leave the GWM Chinese stuff on there because it's so funny. So the Chinese does live on, mate. So if you see it on the road, make sure you beep your horn at him and stuff and stick your finger up at him because that's how we roll. I'm gonna pass it up to you.
Hey?
I don't know.
Oh, I'm gonna pre-drill it first.
Look at the size of it.
Yeah.
Alrighty, well Clint's up there, mate. We've got him up on top of the ladder. He's doing a great job. He's putting some plugs in the dogs. He's fucking dodgy, mate.
150.
Poor Clinty. Making him do all the work. I feel a bit lazy, but you know. He's doing a good job. Dude, I'm not gonna lie, if I did what you're doing right now,
Yeah.
there's no fucking way the holes will line up.
I haven't put it up there yet, so we still don't know.
Yeah. But at least there'll be some nice holes in there. There's no way that would work for me. I would have to measure that for the 2.5 hours at least. Just keep measuring and measuring and measuring and measuring.
So
Yeah.
the way it's going to sit,
It's on this big angle.
no, the top of that sign will literally be in top of the window.
Bro, all good, bro. Yeah?
So,
Whatever,
because,
whatever.
yeah.
Thank you. That's fine.
I can make it a little bit lower.
Nah, I'm happy with that. I'm happy with whatever's easiest.
Climb up on that roof and just see if you're confident to stand on it because it's slippery.
Oh, yeah?
It's pretty slippery.
I got my safety boots on, bro, so it's fine.
That's even worse. Because it's pretty slippery.
All right.
Because if you slip, then it's going to drag me. It's going to drag the sign, and
Yeah, well, I didn't even feel like I was going to fall just then.
nah, but
Is a complete lie. That felt fucking shifty as, bro. Why do you like climbing up ladders so much?
I don't generally like climbing up the ladder. Go around this way. What is it? It's just like a bit of melamine or something.
Yeah, I think it's composite.
Oh, okay.
It's good for fires. I don't have it.
Yeah, that's all right.
Fucking hell. Which side do you want me on, Clint?
I don't know. I'll soon be going okay.
Alright, if the wind comes, just let it fly away and you just stand there. I don't want you fucking falling down. I'd rather just get another sign. Oh, look, you go, mate. You've already done it. Oh, no. Is it possible to get the top screws in where it's sitting?
Yeah.
Fuck, look at this guy go, bro. Oh, no.
That's terrible.
You get any more?
No.
No, alright.
Hey, got it? Oh, sweet.
Alright. Good?
Yeah, yep.
I'm going back down. If this measurements is actually correct, you're a fucking absolute gun. Alright, go easy, bro. You're scaring me.
Looks like it's on a bit of a kick.
It's a little bit down on the right, but fuck, I can't complain.
There's a little bit down there.
Yeah.
No, that's all right. I can fix that.
Where are you going? Jeez, I want to help you, but you're like doing all kinds of crazy shit. The more you damage the sign, the less beer I have to buy you. What's your plan here? You're going to put that side down a
Yeah,
little bit?
now I can get up there. I can unscrew that.
Let's get down.
Drop it down a tiny bit.
Fuck yeah, bro. Look at that, bro. What a fucking mad dog. Get down here. Are you all right? You got enough screws?
I'll just reuse that screw up there.
All right. I've got the ladder.
The ladder shouldn't go anywhere.
Eh,
It's not on that. It's on a good lean actually. She's a bit bouncy.
yeah, it does look a bit bouncy. I'll tell you, if you did fall, I'd probably just hop out of the way.
Yeah. I would do.
I'd try to fucking catch your head.
Probably should have bought a couple of screws up.
Yeah, I was wondering that.
Glad it's not on the sunny side of the building.
Bro, I feel like the sun's just about to go behind the building there.
Yeah.
And you're gonna finish just
And
in
we'll be
time.
finished.
Yeah.
Yeah, that one.
I'll throw it up to you.
Well, it was a bit of a flatter roof, you could have.
Well, should I get him to change the roof and we'll come back? Bro, this is fucking flimsy shit.
Yeah. She bounces a bit.
What are you doing, bro? Look at this. This is so dangerous.
No.
And it's got side to side movement too, I bet. Ready? Yeah, this is heap chunky. I don't know how. Oh my god.
Oh, you do signs too, do you? No.
Yeah. Sign installs. One man in sign installs.
Yeah.
As high as you want.
As long as my ladder reaches.
Yeah. Oh, that's fucking beautiful. All right, what are we doing?
Just taking this down. Whoa.
Ooh.
Just trying to put your feet against the feet.
No problems, brother. There you go. Oh, the new sunnies.
Nah. Oh. What?
I don't help him at all, bro, eh? Like, that doesn't make your life hard. I almost broke your sunglasses.
Nah, it's alright.
Oh, look, you're just smashing the ladder on top of it on purpose now.
$8 Kmart.
I'm scared to grab him because I thought you're going to go with the ladder and go
yeah.
any second.
Put your arm through. Oh, I left my phone on the windowsill.
Oh, shit. I forgot to press record, bro. We have to do it again. You have to redo it.
Just AI it.
Oh, well, there you go. There you go. The beautiful sign is up on the building. So now we're officially a business. Oh, you can't see it in the reflection of the sun. So you can only see the sign half the day. Emptying all the van out. There's the table from the van, the workbench, or just a bunch of other crap. I've got all my tools in that toolbox now. Bro, I think this will be right. I'll just have to drive it home like that and come back next week and finish it off. But all my tools are here in the toolbox, man. And I figured out how to open this. I don't know if I showed that on the last video. That wasn't opening up properly, but now it is. Got my oil on top of my expensive trolley, which is much nicer. So I got to tidy up a bit of here. All my parts cabinet. Happy bloody days, man. Fantastic. All right, done. Merry Christmas. See you later. G'day, everybody. It's a new day. I've got the misso down here with me. There she is. Says, hey, g'day, love. G'day. Look, I brought the caravan down because I'm doing an install on this battery system or something on the caravan. I'm mucking around with that. Another Bluetti thing. They've got a new charger and stuff that I'm doing an install on. Look, there's the sign. Like you guys all seen the sign go up. Now we're going to reverse the caravan into the workshop so I can do this job. I've also got all my stuff in here right now. It's very messy because the Chinese is sold. I had to like quickly empty it all out, and I did a service on the Chinese. We've got stuff everywhere, but that's the bench from the Chinese, and I've just been moving everything in. So sorry, I skipped showing you all that, but I also did make a little bit of mess when I was emptying these oil boy thingamajiggies. I made a little bit of a mess over here with a bit of an overflow, so good we had this. It wasn't too bad, but I've cleaned all that up now. It was a bit bad, but it wasn't crazy too bad, yeah? Anyway, let's get this caravan inside, and then Danika's gonna help me. She's got the vacuum, because she's such a good lady. Danika's assessing the mess that I made, but it's all good now. It was a bit of a mission to clean up, but I got it sorted. In the office, we have a lot of this white dusty crap on everything. So Danika's gonna go through and do a wipe down and a vacuum maybe, because it's just dust from when they grinded the concrete. Same with in here. Upstairs is the worst part. Upstairs is so dusty. So she's going to run the vacuum around because she's a lovely, lovely princess lady.
I don't want to be here.
You don't want to be here? It's just going to fit, right? I think if I just keep going back straight, we'll be right. Anyway, there you go, caravan's inside. Now I got a job to do on this, but first, we're gonna sort this workshop out. Hi, Danny! She's going crazy up there, almost done at the top. I'm trying to sort out this room over here. All of these are full of oil, so I have to empty all of those into the IBC. We've got a tip run going on, this room's getting cleared out. We have a hand towel dispenser to fit into the bathroom. Oh my gosh, so just filling up the ute with a tip run. Mate, this is where it's all at, bro, just in the final stages, but there's just so many little jobs to do that it's like just this for example. Bro, I don't know. Anyway, lots of jobs going on. And there you go, guys, that's a wrap. We've got everything. We've got all my, see my little parts area and whatever. I don't know, I'm gonna rearrange that a little bit. We've got this beautiful blockage here, right? Because it's blocking off all this ugly stuff over here because I've got an IBC and the bin in behind here now. It just blocks it off. And it's very full. The bin's super full because I didn't think we're gonna need it emptied this quickly, but I really need it emptied and starting to accumulate. Over here, we're gonna have just a little Azedo compressor for now. I am gonna upgrade that because I've seen some super awesome ones, but that's gonna be a little bit down the track that make zero noise, sort of, make stuff all noise. And I'd love to have that because I hate noise too much. My sink's back. I don't know why the generator's here, but it's just gonna sit over here. This rack. Got this trolley here. This one is for my oils, for when I'm doing your diff and transfer case oils. So I'll just roll that underneath the car with me. There's the bench from in the van. Still got stuff I want to rearrange. I've got a mop now. Danica has put this little bit of light in for me together. I just found it a little bit dark underneath the engine, especially because I want to record stuff. So that's like, I don't know, just sit up next to the car somewhere. It's going to light up the whole engine bay. I've just dodgy installed this, my airline up here, which I've got the rest of the airlines at home. So I've got to run an airline over to the compressor, but that's nice to be up out of the way over here. I'll install that better later, but it's going to work for now. My beautiful Joel's Garage toolbox is all filled up with stuff. Toilet paper, in case I need to do a poo. Anyway, that's a good thing. My couple of drain trays over here. And then I've got this. I love this thing, mate. I take this all around when I'm taking the wheels off. I've been wheeling it all around with me. So I've got my rattle gun stuff sits on top when I'm doing my fuel stuff. And yeah, there we go. Oh, Danica, you found a little spot for these? That's good. Because when I get underneath here, I'm starting to annoy myself with my knees. So I just wanted a couple of these little knee pads, you know. That's good, handy stuff. Well, there you go. That's the episode. Danica's done all the cleaning upstairs and inside the office, and we've set the office up so it's a bit nicer. But we're good. We're ready to start work. 5th of January, guys. I'll see you all there. No, don't everyone come down. I'll see you all there. I've already got cars booked out. January's all booked out. I'm going to start working. Now I've got a job I've got to do on this caravan, so I'm going to start hooking into that. That's going to be on the next episode. I shall see you later. Thank you for watching.